Welcome back to another Solving Problems is Fun. Yeah, we're into the test screen again. And here we are. And basically, from I entered the system, I was just playing around with all the stuff here. And if I press this one right here, that button over there, let me show you. This button right here, I figured out that it's like a number. See, it goes up and it goes up to a bunch of them. All right, I guess mine is open. Um, we could test right up to, I guess, 2021 and then 2. So now when you're in there and you see all that stuff and we saw all the wording and all that, we go into test 2. And when I click on test 2, you want to activate that, you go over here, right? And when we press test 2 is a full sweep of the gauges and stuff inside of the truck. This is the E53 BMW. This is how it works. So you switch the key on into the ignition once, right? Where it's access on. Then you hold down these two buttons right here and wait for a couple seconds till you see screen kind of goes off and come on with the light that shows, okay, it says test 1 or whatever. Well, when you click on this one, it takes you into the first screen that I was showing you with all those stuff just coming up, right? The reading and all that. Then I press over here, that one, and that moves this number, as we can see. So each one of those are different tests. So let's figure out, let's have some fun with it, right? So I found out that number 2 is to do the sweep. So let's do the sweep. You press on it, and there we go. Isn't that lovely, ladies and gentlemen? Like, wow. All my gauges are working, right? And then now let's go to 3 and let's press test. What do we do for 3? Lock on. Okay. Oh. 1. Oh. Okay. So now I got the lock on. Well, I think how we do that is we get out here and check for my VIN number. Okay. And then we come back and I think we enter the VIN number into where that is, and then it should work. So let's go down here, and that's right there, and that's 36455, and we add all those numbers together, and then we're gonna get that round off number, and that's what we should enter. So 9, 13 and 10. 13 and 10 is 23. So my lucky number that I should be looking for is 23. So 1. So see, I just figured out something there too. To get to the other number, you gotta keep going up and up and up and up till that number revolve like we saw, and it goes over to the other number, and then that number will revolve, and then we get there. So we got 23. Let's see if we get back in. Yes, and there we go. We got 1, we're back in. 2, 3, we're gonna skip past 3 because we know 3 is to lock the system. So we're gonna go to 4. What is 4? Let's see what's 4. 4 says VBR 00 kilometers per liter. Now, I don't know what we could do with this other button, but let's see. Oh, it just takes us to test 5. All right, let's go with test 5. What is test 5? it gives us another set of number. RWVBR 17.3 liters per kilometer. Okay, we're gonna go to the other one. Test 6. Let's see what that is. And that's tank. I'm thinking that's the tank. I got 9.1 liters. Maybe that's what it's saying. 2.7, 6.3. All right, we're gonna get the reading for that. But that's basically your setting of your gas tank, your liters or whatever you got in there. Let's go again. Number 7. What do we do? KTMP. Okay, that's your temperature. 98 degrees Celsius. Guess that might be the engine temperature, I'm thinking. Let's go over to 8. Click on 8. It's V and it's kilometers. Don't know what that is. Just V with kilometer per hour, I guess, or slash hour. I'm wondering if I could even start the truck and get this test on and drive the truck with doing some of those kilometer testings and see if they're actually working on the screen. Give me some curiosity here. All right, let's go then. 9. Let's see what's 9. Voltage. Okay, I'm doing 12. That's definitely my volt for my battery. UB means the volt. All right, so I'm doing 12.1, which on the truck is just sitting. Normal. Let me turn my 11.9. Turn the radio off. Everything is off. It's not bad, but it should be up around 12. It's just falling and falling. Okay. 10. I don't know what that's trying to tell me, if my battery's not good or what. What did I do here? I pressed that button and it's stuck at 10.3, 10.4. Does that mean like a warning? Do I press it again? Would the number keep going down? Oh, see, I'm pressing it. 10.3. I guess it's staying there at 10.3. Let's keep it moving. Test number 10. What is number 10? Land 07 CND. I don't know what that is. I'm wondering if it landed in Canada 07. That's what it might have meant. Canada 2007, because this is a 2006. So a year after it made. Don't know. We'll figure these things out, because I'm going to go through the video and research. Don't know what this is, but either way it got me to there. And what number are we at again? Number 12. Okay. And here we go. And that's like 45, I don't know, 0.8 kilometer an hour. Don't know that. But we're just going through, like we said, to figure out. Solving problems is fun, right? We're trying to figure out what all these things are. And then Gong. Should we press Gong to see what Gong says if there's a... Uh-oh. What the hell? The question mark went away. What's Gong? Oh, shit. It came back. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that scared me. I don't know. What is it going to do? Leave the gong on when I open the door? It gongs now? Like it's asking me if do I want the gong on? Is that what it's saying? Like, is that what gong means? Well, I'm gonna look it up first, and then we will go from there and come back to that. But I don't want to put on gong and I'm gonna have something stuck in here, driving me crazy. So let's figure this out. Let's keep going because I know the radio does some stuff here too, where you could setting, but my pixels are slightly going, but I'll still figure it. I know a few things in the radio there. Let's pass gong. Now we're at 14. Let's see what 14 says. 1 BC 90 205. Don't know. Like I said, diagram. I guess we got to check that diagram or figure out what that means. Because, you get a bunch of, like, let me go 14. Let me see what happens at 15. Okay, port. I don't know what that port means, but obviously we can see numbers jumping, doing stuff. But like I said, it doesn't have like a little indicator that would say at the bottom here, like, little wording or notching, but like how you have date, month, year, would say different little things that would give us the idea of what it means. I don't understand. So when those all pop up with all those different numbers slash, I can't figure that out. But let's see. Anyways, I'm not even shit. I don't even know. I'm not gonna press no button like on that when it comes to a bunch of numbers and stuff going like that because I don't know if we're changing or doing anything. So I'm gonna move on to 16 and see what that is. And that is something I guess oil temp. Should we click that to see that? That can't do nothing much. Let's see what happened. I guess when you click, you don't get nothing. It just tells you something. But if we go over the other side, or if we hold it, let's see if we hold it down, what happens. Holding it down, a couple seconds, couple seconds. Don't blow up on me here. No, okay, nothing. All right. And then we go to 17, and we just click on 17, and that's RCC something minute, whatever. Click on that, that, hold it down. Nothing. Just tells us something, but nothing. Okay. 18. Let's go. What is 18? I guess we stop at 18 because 18 has nothing for us. 18 said, get out of here. 19. What do we have at 19? Lock off. What? Okay, yeah, we want the lock off. We're definitely not putting the lock on. So we're gonna move on from here because now we figured that out. 20. So you guys noticed that, right? So number 19 would give you the option to lock again. So I'm guessing after you go to a certain amount, you can lock it out there and then proceed, or lock it in and proceed. Whichever way, I guess you guys would look at it, or I'm seeing it as how I'm seeing it right now. That is saying basically you can lock it there. From number 3 would be the lock, and then you have to go get the code outside. Number 19 would be lock off, but if we had pressed that, it would be lock on. So we just basically came from 3 to 19, and then so from 3 to 19 we have lock on or lock off. So basically we could lock it from there, or lock it, I guess, at 19. Now we're at 20. Let's see what 20 does. And that's 1000. I don't know what the 1000 VBRK VBR means. Should we press the button? Yeah. Ooh. I just did something and it moved. I don't know if we should press it anymore, because what the hell did I just do? Okay. That's now scaring me because I didn't know what that one is, and now I pressed it and it went from 1,000 to I hope it's just something like some mileage or kilometer or something like that, just roll back, and you know it would be good. But I hope I didn't put myself in some hot water. Let's keep it going from that one. So yeah, 20, it says 1,000. If you press it, don't know. We're gonna go figure it out what it means. Let's go to 21, and that's all reset. Should we reset? Reset what? Is that mean we're gonna reset, ladies and gentlemen, the whole system? All those numbers, those things? Like, don't know. Gonna leave you on for now. It might help me with my problem there that I might have just had to with that thing, but let's see all that what the reset is. Let's leave. So we got 21 checks. Yep. So that's what we have. 21 cluster, gauge cluster check. So we saw what all 21 things do, or what 21 numbers actually take us to, but we don't really say, for example, all of them we haven't known, because I don't know all of them, with the abbreviations and all that they used. But maybe I'll make a next video on saying, well, not maybe, I'm going to make a next video, so I'm going to have to get a list and write down and ask a lot of questions on what a lot of the things are, and see. I have a few friends at BMWs and all that too that I could hit up and figure out this whole code. Maybe they'll give me a book on it or something like that. But either way, that's the 21 gauge cluster check that we did. That's what I'm going to call it. 21 gauge cluster check that we did in the E53 to figure out what all 21 tests means on the dash, right? So that's where it goes. It took us to the number 21. When we went to 21, it came back to 1. So we know it's 21 tests that it gives you on top of the dash to go through. All right. And like I said, how to access this test is switch your car on into the on position just once. Like, you don't have to go all the way. Hold one button and two button down at the same time. It's going to say control check or check control. Okay. And once you do that, just hold it there for a bit. Hold it there and then let it go. And it should pop up with this first little thing right here saying that. Okay. All right. And remember, if you ever get locked, because if you go to number 3 is lock. Okay. And if you ever get lock on or off, you're gonna go to your you're gonna go to your outside of your car, which is on your dash up top, where you will find your VIN number, right? And you're gonna use the 5 numbers that's left from your VIN right there, right? Okay, you're gonna use all that number right there, and you add that number in, and you're gonna get the code, and you add them all together, okay? Add all the numbers together, and you should get 2 numbers. And if your 2 numbers come up, you just keep pressing. This 1 number is gonna keep rolling till it goes to the revolve over to 1 showing here, or 2, whatever number you want. Just keep going till you see the number that you need at the front here, and then you get to the number at the back once you add it all together, and that's how you'll get the number. It will give it to you right there. All right. And like I said, solving problems is fun, and that's what we just kind of try to do. And I think that was a lot for me, because I never really went through this whole thing, so that was actually fun for me. And now I hope it's fun for you guys, so you guys could go ahead and smash that subscribe button, for the next video that I'm gonna post, and turn on your bell and give me a thumbs up. Comment under the video, let me know if the videos are coming out good, you like what I'm doing, and so that I'm gonna keep going. Thank you guys for giving me motivation to keep going, so I'm gonna keep going. For all the subscribers that subscribe, thank y'all already, and I'm gonna have some stuff coming out just now for all the people who subscribe. And like I said, new subscribers, join the subscribing team. Solving problems is fun. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.